Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mutia. If you're not, welcome back. So today I'm back with another video. For my entrepreneurs. If you want to start a business and you know you don't have a lot of capital, and maybe you're starting to get a lot of orders and you can't be asked to keep writing down the addresses, I feel like this printer will do, because this is what I use at the moment, but I feel like I might invest in a bigger printer in the future. But this one, to be honest, does the job for me, and I'm going to show you what's inside. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is not focused, let me focus it. This is what it looks like. It's called PeriPage printer. I got this printer from AliExpress, but you can get it from Amazon as well, but it's cheaper on AliExpress. I got it for, I think it was like £28, which is quite affordable for a printer, to be honest. Well, it is a mini printer, but it's quite affordable. But you can get it from Amazon, to be honest. Amazon, I think it was like £40. I'm going to leave the links in the description down below for you guys to check out the website and compare and decide where you want to get your printer from. So yeah, this is not sponsored, by the way. This is just all me. I've just opened it now. This is what it looks like. Please focus. Yes, it's focused. I got a new camera, by the way, guys, so it's really good. Actually, it focuses on stuff really quickly. But yeah, I might do a review on it. I wanted to do an unboxing on the camera, but then I totally forgot about it, so I think I'm going to do a review on the camera. But so far it's actually good. But anyways, that's not why we're here. We're here to talk about this printer. This is how small it is. This is how small it is, guys. It's hella tiny. This is the power button. It's right here. When you click on it, it's gonna go green, and that means it's on and ready to go. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to operate it. I'm going to show you how I print out stuff using my phone, how I print out my order labels using my phone. Let's get straight into it. I'll see you in a bit.
First thing you do is you copy your shipping address. Make sure you have the PeriPage app downloaded. Select banner printing. Paste your shipping address. And then you can change the size and the fonts and everything. When you're done, select print. Change it to texting and then print it out.
So this is how it comes out. It's got my name, it's got everything I wrote down. My name, my fake address, and everything. So yeah, what you need to do now is just cut that off. Whoa. Cut that off, like so, like this. Let me show you. Yeah, cut that off. I actually love this camera. No. And then you peel it. Like so. There we go. And then you get your parcel. And then all you have to do now is just stick it on there. Stick it on here. Stick it on here. And then when you're done, all you have to do is take it to the post office and ship it off. It is that easy. You don't have to keep writing it down. If you don't have a lot of capital, don't worry. This literally, it essentially does the job. This is better than me writing it down every time I get an order, because that can be exhausting sometimes. This is what comes in the printer. It's really, really tiny, but it does the job. So yeah, I'm gonna open up the printer and I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the inside. So you have to do this. Snap. And then voila. This is the printer label that I was showing you. This is what it looks like. Please focus, please focus, please focus, please focus. Focus, please. Yay, it focused. This is what it looks like. Boom, shabam. Inside, pull it out, clip, shabam, and you're done. You can actually take it anywhere, whether you're going on holiday, anywhere. It fits in my pocket. It is so small. Like, this is how small it is. So small. It fits in my pocket. I can take it anywhere. So yeah, I hope this could be of help to you guys, for people who are trying to start a business, or if you've already started a business and you just want to be able to print out your labels. This is a good start, to be honest. If you can't afford a big printer, this is a good start. So I hope I could be of help, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.